Alright, you take the turkey, let it thaw out, you inject it with whatever you want to inject it with. I use a Tony Chachere's Creole butter, and then once I get it injected, I will season the outside with salt, pepper, and garlic, and then I'll rub the inner cavity with salt, pepper, and garlic, and then I'm waiting on my fire to get hot enough right now, and it'll get to 325 degrees, and then you cook it 3.5 minutes per pound. In this case, I can't do the math. 3.5 times. We're going to be cooking it for about 45 minutes. You just slow and easy.
You all the way in?
I'm all the way in.
Now, are you gonna raise and lower it a couple times as you cook it?
Nope. So I may pull it out. Where's my phone? And what I'm fixing to do now is timer. And I'm going to set it for 42 minutes. Can you see it?
It's looking good.
All I'm doing is just letting the grease run out of it.
Start.
Alright, I've let it set out of the fire, let it set for about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to start cutting it up. Hey, Brenda. There you go.
Look at this nice, tender, juicy breast.